In this guide, I'll show you how to clear your RAM cache on Windows 10 or 11. First, open up your task manager by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard. And once you're here, we're going to go to Performance on the left sidebar, and we're going to select Memory. And if you have a look at the bottom, this is where you'll see how much memory you have cached. For me, it's 12.5 gigabytes. So you can leave this window up. We're just going to minimize it. Then go to your web browser and in search, we're going to type in RAM map, a single word, and then we're going to search. And we're going to select the first option from Microsoft Learn. Once you're on this page, select Download RAM Map, which is going to automatically download it in the top right corner. And from here, I'm going to select Show in Folder, and I'm going to minimize my web browser, and I'm going to click and drag this zip file onto my desktop. And if you don't have something to unzip this file, I recommend you download something like WinRAR or WinZip, they're both free, and then come back and right click and go to Extract All. Once you do that, this page will pop up and you want to go to Extract, which is going to add it to your desktop, and it's going to open the folder. And here's where the RAM map application is, so you can double click on it. So now that RAM map is open, we're going to open up the task manager where we were before, and I currently have 13 gigabytes cached. Pay attention to that. Now what we're going to do on RAM map is go to empty at the top, and then we're going to select empty standby list. So when I click on this, you'll notice immediately it dropped by a significant amount. Now you can actually do it again as well. You can do it as many times as you'd like, and it may reduce even further. But that is how you clear the RAM cache on Windows 10 or 11.